The strategic intake program is just one step in the Tribe of Healers first session system. The complete system is easy to learn because it's covered over 5 short programs, so you can learn it in small bites. And it's just easier to learn things one step at a time. Same is true for your clients. If you take things one step at a time, you're going to get more out of the process. And so learning in this way allows you to take things one step at a time. You take what you learn, you put it into practice before moving on to learning the next step. It's just much easier. And you're more likely to retain what you learned. So let me give you a quick overview of the first session system so you kind of have an idea of how it works. The purpose of the first session is to assess and then prepare your client for the work of regression to cause hypnosis. And the steps involved in this are, first, the strategic intake process, which we just covered. Second, the educational pre-talk process. Third, there's the potty break protocol. Number 4 is creating your ideal client, which is a standalone session. And then there's the ready for regression session, which follows. So what follows the strategic intake process is the educational pre-talk. That's the next step. And this is where you will educate your client about the healing process. And that's what you've been setting up for during the intake process. During the intake, your client's going to be talking and you're going to be listening. When it comes time for you to do your educational pre-talk, the client is going to listen and you are going to talk. If you don't listen first, the client may not be able to listen to what you have to say because they'll be too busy thinking about the problem. That's why they're seeing you, and that's all they really care about. So this is why I start with the intake process and then do the educational pre-talk. Another reason for this is the intake process gives you all the information you need to make your educational pre-talk relevant to the client's needs and concern. So it's not just kind of a cookie cutter approach. It's not a pre-recorded pre-talk. You're actually delivering relevant information to the client that has everything to do with her problem. Now, most people have some fears and unrealistic expectations about hypnosis, and that's why you need to educate them about the process. But you need their trust before they're going to listen to you, and the intake process will help you to establish that. And they don't care about the hypnosis. You do. And until they've had their say, they won't be able to hear what you have to say. It just won't seem relevant to them. So you need to let the client speak first. This will create space for them to allow something in. So they'll be able to listen, be able to take in what you have to say, and it will have more meaning for them. And the reason they're going to listen to you is because everything in your educational pre-talk is going to be about them. You're going to customize it to them based on what you uncovered during the intake process. The intake process gives you all the information you need to educate your client in a way that's relevant to them, so they'll pay attention to you. After all, it's all about them, right? Once you have their attention, you can use your educational pre-talk to teach them how to be successful working with you. You can teach them all about how they are about to create real and lasting change using the power of their own mind, and you can make them a partner in their own healing journey. So that's it. Make sure to download all those handouts from the resource area, get that PDF report that comes with this program, and please take a moment to write me a review. You know, your feedback is important to me. It helps me to continue to improve the course content, to customize it for your needs in the same way that I want to customize my educational pre-talk for my clients. I want to customize things so that it's really meeting your needs. So I really want to hear from you. Let me know how I did. Let me know by telling me what your goals for taking this course were. This is going to give me a better idea about what your needs are. How well did this course meet your expectations? Did you get everything that you expected? Did you get more? Was there any information that you found especially helpful? Let me know. What else would you like to learn more about? And if there's something that I missed or something that you're not entirely clear on, tell me. I'm here to help. So please leave me a question. I will reply.